wood tells me what to do with it. So the wood is the main speaker. I just help it, I enhance it. Okay, so I started with a piece of what looks like junk. Got a flat surface on the planer. I edged it, or I mean on the joiner. I got a flat surface on the joiner. Then I edged it. Then I ran it through the planer. Got both sides flat, parallel. Ran it through the table saw, so I got a parallel piece of wood, and then I edged it. And that's what I came up with. It started like that, and we're getting to like that. I traveled to southern Illinois. It's about 550 miles away to get my lumber. He's got the best unique lumber I've found anywhere. It's well worth the trip. That thing's 300 to 500 years old, and I don't know what to do with it. That thing is just beautiful. That's beyond beautiful. The only trees he cuts down are dead or dying trees, and on rare occasions he'll take down a live tree that's endangering a house or something, but I've yet to see that. So all the trees are dead, dying, storm damage. No live trees are cut for any of my products. I want people to look at my piece and touch it. I want them to experience not only the sight, but I want them to experience the feel of it. It feels comfortable in the hand, it's smooth, touch is important in my woodworking. Creating something from nothing. I've taken a piece of wood, most of my lumber starts off like this, and what excites me is I take this and I turn it into something like that. I can see through the dirt, I can see through the dust, I can see through everything here, and I know there's something good in there. And when I take a piece like this and I throw it through the planer, it's like Christmas, because I don't know exactly what the grain is going to look like, but it can turn out like that, and that is just beautiful in my opinion. I mean, it just goes from one to